Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to reduce laundry wrinkles. I'll be going over 5 things that actually work, so let's get right into this video. If you want to have laundry, clean laundry that does not have wrinkles or has fewer wrinkles than normal, this is the video for you. These are 5 things that will help you out. Let's get right into this. Number 1 is to take the clean laundry that has dried out of the dryer right after it's done, okay? A lot of wrinkles occur because you dry your clothes in the dryer, right? So they're going like this, drying, and then the dryer finishes and they stay like this for half an hour, a day, however long you leave them there for. We know how it is. I have 4 kids. I'm busy. I understand. Sometimes you just can't get to the dryer right away. I get it. But get them out as quickly as you can because you want them to be sitting like this for the least amount of time possible. It will reduce your laundry wrinkles substantially. Number 2 is hang the clothes to dry with care. Now, let me show you what I used to do. I used to just get the clothes like this and like that, just on the drying rack like this almost, right? And then my wife kindly told me that I need to hang them with care because her clothes were getting substantially wrinkled because I just put all my clothes in the dryer. For her clothes, I hang a lot of them up on the drying rack. So I learned that if you hang a piece of clothing with care, nice and straight like this, then you end up reducing the wrinkles. So take the few extra minutes, hang the clothing with care, and you will reduce the wrinkles substantially. This is my pajama shirt, by the way, which is why it looks like an old rag. It's because I love wearing shirts like this at nighttime as a pajama shirt. They're just so comfortable. It's unbelievable. So anyways, that's why if you're looking, saying like, how could this guy wear it? It's like all discolored and it's all wrinkly and raggedy. Yeah, it's my pajama shirt. So let's move on from that, okay? Number 3, use a steam cycle on your dryer if you have it available, okay? My previous dryer had a steam cycle available and I used it a few times. It was really, really cool. It just puts a little bit of steam in the clothing and it prevents it from wrinkling, okay? Make sure the clothing that you're drying is compatible with the steam cycle and can be used with the steam cycle. You want to make sure of that. I apologize, there's a fly over there, big fly, making its way around the basement. So if you see me dodging it, that's what I'm doing. I just finished filming a video, and you probably will have seen it yesterday, and I'm dodging the fly again. So fly is still here. The videos are spaced a day apart, but I'm filming them one after another. I will go and hopefully get the fly to fly out the window after. You might see it in the background. It's about this big. It's massive. Okay? Anyways, so use a steam cycle if you have it. That's number 3. If you have it available, definitely a positive. If you don't have a steam cycle available, what you could do is take a wrung out damp rag. So get a rag, wet it, wring it out so it's just barely damp. Put it in the dryer with your clothing, and that will sort of give you a little bit of the steam effect. That's another option. The massive fly is literally right behind the camera, so I apologize if I'm distracted. It's unbelievably big. I don't understand if maybe this has been living here for years. I'm not sure. Number 4, don't overpack your clean laundry bin. So when you take the clothes out of the dryer and you put the clean clothes in your laundry bin to, bring them upstairs or wherever to fold them, don't overpack it. If you pack all the clothes in there, you're jamming them down to fit them in one bin, they're going to be like this, right? And that's what causes a lot of the wrinkles. Instead, if you take your clothing and you just drop it in the laundry bin, right? Or even fold it and then place it nicely in the laundry bin, right? And don't pack it, it's going to be much better at preventing wrinkles. Last but not least is number 5, which is to fold along the seams. Now, if you can manage to fold along the seams of your clothing, you will really make wrinkles that you cannot see. So if I was, for instance, to fold along this seam of my pajama shirt over here, then that wrinkle that forms there would not be seen because there's already a seam there. Okay, so especially with pants and with jeans, it's really easy to fold along the seams. If you can manage to fold them along the seams or hang them, if you're putting them on a hanger, hang them along the seams, then it will make it much easier to disguise those wrinkles and make them pretty much non-existent. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.